Hi guys, this is Fiona from Lavender Blue, and this is Freebie Friday number 7 in my Facebook group, which if you haven't already joined, I have a free printable every Friday and we make a little project out of it, and I'll link that below. So what we're going to make this week is this little tag booklet. So I just wanted to show you, just for something different, I wanted to join it with these little jump rings, which I think looks really cute. I've hung a little charm off there, and you know, there's various things you could do with it. You could add pages, whatever you like. But anyway, in the video I'm just going to show you how I have put this together. So keep watching, I'll be back. Hi guys, so today we're going to make a little tag booklet, and this is Freebie Friday number 7 in my Facebook group, which I'll link below. So when you get the printable, you've got the 2 large tags there. These are from my latest kit, Shabby Botanicals, which I'll link below. And then you get 2 smaller tags, and these are 2 little pockets. And I'm going to put this together a little bit differently. Instead of just with paper or fabric, I'm going to use some little chain links. What do you call them? Jump rings. So I just thought that would be cute. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to back the 2 large tags with some coffee dyed paper. I have some scraps here. So I'm going to back the 2 large ones and the 2 small ones with coffee dyed paper and then stitch around the edges. I'm not going to bother doing that with the pockets, just with all of the tags. So I'm going to go ahead and do that off camera because I can't actually sew on camera. And so I'll glue it down first, and then I'll just sew all the way around, and then I'll be back. Okay, so I'm back and I have everything sewn and inked up. This time I used a straight stitch. Normally I use a zigzag, but I think that looks really nice. So I'm ready to punch out the holes in the top of my tags, and I'm going to add some reinforcement rings to these ones. Out the way up. And these 2 probably need my smaller punch there. There we go. Line it up. Why is that not punching? Try that again. It's better. Okay. So I've got my little reinforcement rings here, which probably be too big for these ones, but I'm going to put them on these ones, and I've inked them up already. I like to have them inked up. Just going to put them on both sides. think that just finishes off and helps to reinforce the holes. Just see if these are going to look any good on here. Yeah, it's okay. I'll just ink up in the middle there. So this is a little quick project. Doesn't take too long to put together, but it's a really nice little addition to any of your journals or scrapbooks. So I'll just get some more ink for those there. I hope I'm in frame. Sorry guys if I wasn't. Yep, I think I am. Okay, so what I'm going to do first is put the pockets. Decide which one that you want for your front. So I think I want this one on the front and this one on the inside. It's going to open like this. So I'm going to, this is the bottom of this one. I'm going to glue that in there for a pocket and glue that one in there. So just gluing around the three sides, and you can put a little half circle cut out here if you want to. Very well with that today. Don't want any glue on there. So stick that down. And our little tags should sit inside like this. And this one. Okay. Now I want to join these together, and I thought it'd be nice to do it with some jump rings. So I've got my little jewelry stash here. Get that open. So I've got some little bronzy coloured ones like this. Not sure if that might be too big. I don't think so. I want them fairly big, so these are not sure how big they are. Probably about, I'd say about 6 millimeters. But if you wanted to, you could also hang a little charm at the same time. So I'm thinking about doing that. go. This is a little I Ching coin. I'm going to line them up. I know this pocket's a bit taller, but that's okay. And get my paper piercer. And I'm just going to eyeball where I want the holes, as long as they're the same on both. So I want it to be above the pockets. I'm going to put my first one, and it's got to be fairly close to the stitching, I think, so that the jump ring will fit through. So I'm going to put one hole here. Actually, don't use your finger underneath like I am. What can I use? Oops. Just got the back of the book here. So I'm just going to do one here. Here, I think. So I want to make sure they're lined up. Let's do this one. Whoop. Yep, that's about right. Should be, do it right on the stitching, which is, my stitching's about 2 millimeters, 2 or 3 millimeters from the edge, or that would be about I think about 1/8 of an inch. It should be right. Okay. Oh, now I can't find it. There it is, I think. Okay, so we'll put them together like that. And the holes are lined up. Just double check. Get my little pointy pliers. You really is easier with 2 pairs, but I couldn't find my other pair. So I'm just going to go like that. I'm going to try hanging this little thing off this one. Put it through. And close it up. And you could actually probably use smaller jump rings if you wanted to. I quite like the big ones, they look nice. And you could add more tags, or you could add some pages, some tea-dyed pages or plain paper if you also wanted to do that. But I'm just making this a quick project, showing you how you put this together, what you can do with it. So this one is a free printable in my Facebook group. which I have every Friday, but it also will be listed in my Etsy shop as a printable. Okay, yeah, I think that's really cute. So all I'm going to do now is put these little tags in here. And there we have our little tag booklet, which you can write on the back here and on the back of the cards, and you can put any other cards, or you can hang extra pieces of paper on your little jump rings there to make a little booklet to write in. And then you can decorate through these holes with a bit of twine or ribbon, fabric, whatever you like, but that's the basis of how you put it together. So I hope you enjoyed my little printable project today, and please like and subscribe if you like my videos, and comment below. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.